if you look at from my lens, working with these analytical partners, you look at the likes of Greenplum, Teradata, Vertica, all of these data warehousing applications, which used to be appliance based, which used to be block storage best case
Yeah.
and what have you, they now have seen the writing on the wall, and they have basically started validating us on um, object storage as the data lake that they want to work on, right? So the data lake concept started with the Hadoops of the world, but
Yeah.
again, with Hadoop you had the challenge of co-location of data and compute. It becomes clunky as well as difficult to scale and cost prohibitive at certain point. Now with object storage, it's a very nice clean demarcation, right? You have your application, you can spin up, spin down that application as required, and then you have the scalability of the storage, which is completely separate. And then now you can run your data analytics in space, so you'd never have to move the data out of your central storage. So that's been a huge move in the last 6 to 8 months that we've seen. In fact, if you look at what Snowflake is doing now, so Snowflake has now announced that they will start supporting on-premises object storage as the data lake that can be used for data analytics in place, right? So it's again a huge validation. So that actually becomes another prediction, right? A lot of these applications will start supporting more and more data lakes that are uh, on premises, in the cloud, anywhere. Uh, the data is where becomes the center of gravity. Applications can move rather than the data moving.